Hi, I'm Scott Fraser. I'll be your instructor for this course. And I was asked to do a little introductory video, tell you a little bit about myself and where we're going to be going with this course. It's coming to you from my kitchen. I tried to come up with all different types of places where to videotape this, and this worked out to be just fine. I went and remodeled this kitchen here a couple summers ago, and might as well film it here because it's a little bit of myself in the kitchen, figuratively and literally. The course that we'll be covering on ROV sensors, it's an introductory course, learning how to use the Arduino and going through and programming and doing some ROV related sensor work with the Arduino. Now, as for myself, come from a background, I started off as an electrician, went into engineering, did industrial electrical, and worked in automation and test engineering work. Did a lot of automated test work, and that was kind of fun in that it worked with both hardware and software. And once I finished my engineering degree, I decided to go off and start my own company where I built digital signal processing equipment for people. Sold equipment to places like JPL, the Navy, Air Force, and it was not bad, a lot of fun. Happened to stumble across the old instructor of mine at one point. I happened to go by over there at Long Beach City and asked if I could borrow a piece of equipment that I had, and found an old instructor, and got the, well, we don't usually lend it out, but it's broken. If you can fix it, you can use it. Okay. So I brought the equipment home, got it fixed and working. My daughter was able to use it for her high school project, and when I brought it back, got the, you ever thought about teaching? And closest I'd done to teaching was working with my senior advisor, and he had me lecture a number of his classes, and that was a lot of fun. I just enjoyed the process and explained that to him. He said, well, let's give you a go. Threw me in a classroom a couple months later, and I guess that was back in January of '98, and so the rest is history. I really enjoyed it. They hired me full-time in '99, and been doing this ever since. Some of the other things I like to do are diving, working on my 1960 VW double cab, and doing a lot of outdoor things, but I'm not doing much of any of that right now due to this. Went and tore a bicep muscle, so you'll see this pop up every so often in a video, and I think I'm with this for at least 3 months, and tore the bicep tendon, and they will not let me move it. Anyway, all that aside, hopefully you'll have much fun doing this course as I did putting it together. It's a basic course, as I say, and one of the things I'll be doing is once we get to the third module, I'll put information out there, how you'll do it, what you'll need to do, and then on the videos, pause the videos, go off and do it, and then come back after you've done it, unpause the video, and I'll have the answer there how I did it, and you can compare your answers versus mine. Now, one of the things with programming, there are a number of ways to go about doing and completing the same task. If you get the same task done a little differently than I did it, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. That's all part of the learning process. As you program, you'll learn how to program efficiently and right to the point. And, hopefully, like I say, we'll have fun doing this. That should do it. See you later.